I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention, and you lie.
Have you ever wondered why you can walk on the ground, but you can't walk on water? It's because water is liquid. Have you ever...
Damn.
Honey, dinner's ready. I don't want to eat. Come on, you want to baby? Oh my God! Enjoy. Not me. What? This is for you. I got woke up to a little understand every step to the night. Right understand. Hey, bum. Honey, that's lovely. Not me.
I'm the damn guy.
Full hard like a Lando magic, pull out the tin, call me go gadget. It's A-double-Z-A, but my name's not Aaron Rude, but I never savvy like hatchet. Talking like you're off and you're moving, but we know that you ain't slacking. Ain't trapping, don't know why these men are talking rough and I got no backing. Alright, let me jump back it, let me trash it, but I can't back it. Then when I try to fuck around on the mic there, man, I get scared, but I'm at it. Full time in a black toe jacket, touch the mic and I smack it. They can't hack it, hate job and I hate that storm and I kind of attack it. Don't piss me off, trust me, that shit's a lot. I'm back, you pricks, I'm kicking it off.
Girls like you around, guys like me, so now I come through on a girl like you, yeah.
What are you, fucking gay?
Oh shit! Damn, what the fuck? Oh my God.
Yeah, number 3, large, please. Did you want anything?
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not hungry right now.
I know, but like, I feel like you're gonna eat some of my fries, cause you always do.
No, I'm serious. I'm not hungry. I won't touch them.
Cause I can get you a large fry if you want.
Jesus, babe. I said I'm not hungry.
Okay, I just really don't want you eating my food. But if you say you're not hungry, you're not hungry. Yeah, thank you. Hey, babe, hold this.
Yeah, for sure.
So, about tonight, I was thinking we could go... What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just holding the food.
Dude, I just asked if you wanted anything.
I didn't know I was hungry until I got the bag. Okay.
Why are you making it seem like I'm the bad guy here?
Oh, so now you're gonna yell at me?
Dude, Yeah, number...
It all started when my mom met my dad. They fell in love and they had my older brother. And then my older sister. And then my other older brother. And then my other older brother. And then my other older sister. And then my other older brother. And then my other older brother. And then me. And then my younger brother. And then the last 2 were twins, making me number 8 of 11. I have 5 older brothers, 2 older sisters, 1 younger brother, and 2 younger sisters. And my life is never boring.
I'm bad with names. Best episode is definitely the one with Piss Out Man. What the fuck? This is for fuck's sake.
Yes? I made a mistake on your test? Give it. You better not be wasting my time. What question? Number 3? Melissa has 15 apples to spread between herself and her 2 friends. How many apples does each person get? You wrote 5. I am well aware that 15 divided by 3 is 5. But you didn't specify 5 of what? 5 Statue of Liberties? 5 venti iced coffees with sugar-free vanilla and almond milk? 5 tortilla chips? 5 coupons? 5 Lego blocks? I need to know what each person is getting. You can't just get a number 5. That's not how it works. That's not how logic works. No, I am not going to give you the point because you got it wrong.
And the little boy helped the old lady cross the street. Now here's Amy with the weather. What an amazing story. Now today's weather.
I had an awful day today, so I went to Little Caesars and I got a pizza. Then I put some mozzarella on it and some Taco Bell tacos. Then I went to McDonald's and I got 2 McDoubles, cut them in half, put them in there. I put a bunch of sauces on there, garlic marinara, more cheese, a bunch of fries. I put a whole box of McNuggets on there because I don't give a. Tied it with twine, covered it with more garlic butter sauce, threw it in the oven, 350, 40 minutes, took it out, snipped off all those little twine boys, cut it in half. And as I sat there in awe of my creation and starting to feel better about myself, I was reminded that I'm a grown man spending my hard-earned money on a TikTok. So go ahead and listen to me crunch.
You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up. I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just a thinking about where I should have been. I've been lonely. I'm a lonely chick.
I'm flipping a goddamn way. I'm going. She said, jacuzzi, the water feel good on her toe.
Okay, class, would anyone like to answer number 7? Yes. Oh, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're on the right track. But there is a little bit more to the answer, so would anyone else like to add to that? Yeah. Yes. Okay, class, what is number 3? Yes. No. Clearly you did not do your homework because you do not know the circumference of the entire universe. You are unprepared. So if anyone needs to come in for my extra help, I am here every single day on Thursdays. Yes. Okay, class. Does anyone know the answer to number 10? Oh, yes. See, no, that's not the right answer, but I'm going to go into a 20-minute explanation on why it's not the right answer. So, yes, does anyone know the answer to number 2? Oh, no, that's not right, but let me tell you about my weekend. So I had to go to... Okay.
You know what I need to get by. Something for your mind.
Nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving.
Cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up.
And would you like your receipt? Oh no, you can keep it. Thanks. Okay. Can I see your receipt, please? Oh, I don't have it. Funny. But seriously, I need to see a receipt. But no, like seriously, I just bought these. You can ask the cashier. Sir, I need a receipt. And I really need to go. And I really need a receipt. Look, I don't have time for this. Let me through. No, I can't let you through. Who doesn't get their receipt? Obviously, my dumb ass didn't get a receipt. But then your dumb ass won't pass. Why you calling it dumb? Do we have a problem here? No, not at all. It's just that my mom is waiting for me outside.
What you doing? I've been waiting out there for like 20 minutes. Go get your ass to the car. It's not my fault. They won't let me leave. Move. Damn. Receipt. Damn. Wait, you didn't buy those?
No, of course I bought them.
No, he's trying to rob us. Don't you lie to my mom like that. He's trying to do what? Oh, God, close the door.
To be
Prank my dad.
Hey guys, put a finger down if you were happy about this quarantine at the beginning because you were getting a week out of school, but then you realized it was probably going to be a month and you weren't going to be able to see your friends. And now you're just really depressed because you don't know what to do with your life. You can't see your friends and you're really craving social interaction because you're tired of being at home with your parents and they're really making you go crazy and you want to cry. Me!
Good morning, class. So today... Oh, I just got a message on my Apple Watch. Yeah. See, look, I can text on it. Boom, 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 and send. You know what? I think I'm gonna write these notes on my iPhone 11 Max. Oh, silly me, I thought I had a home button. Yeah, we do use face recognition. Say, yeah, we don't have home buttons, so we just use face recognition. Yeah, like that. Oh, wait, were you saying something? Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear you because I had AirPods in. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I couldn't hear you. Good morning. What you eating? Ice cream. Let me taste some. This sweet. This is sweet. I don't know how y'all eat this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Too sweet. I don't want it. It's too sweet. I don't like it. Here.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like